We're here with Colonel C. Derek Campbell, who is the Executive Chairman at LVC Global Holdings. So wonderful to meet you here at the 11th edition of DPMC.
Happy to be here.
So I'd like to know the company's activities and initiatives towards securitization of the supply chain in economies such as Ghana and Zambia.
Yeah, sure. Well, I will tell you that Ghana and Zambia are really hallmark destinations for investments in opportunities that look at securing sources of supply for gold and other precious metals. I will tell you that you look at Zambia, you look at Ghana. One of the biggest issues that, particularly that they have in Zambia, is that it's about aggregation. And so we try to tell the investor public that there is a very big opportunity to invest in places like Ghana and Zambia if you want to look at the whole supply chain. Opportunities for aggregation, opportunities for intermediate stage processing, and then opportunities for logistics. And so a lot of people, when they talk about securing supply, they only talk about the mining asset itself. And there's much more in the ecosystem that has value and needs valuable financial input to grow and scale to support the industry writ large.
We also see industries going towards a physical plus digital, otherwise called a phygital approach for investors.
That's right.
What challenges do you think investors might have investing in the precious metal segment who's moving towards this kind of a setup?
Yeah, interesting setup. But the challenge that the setup has is that it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that the real value is not in the digital, it's in the physical.
Yes.
And the issue is about making sure that the physical becomes a store of value to the digital. And the issue around that is all about custody. Once you get the gold, whether it's bullionized or not, it's doré, and you put it in a vault, what is the whole ecosystem around the safekeeping of that asset? And so that has been a really challenging component for everybody in this kind of digital currency store of value world. And I know people are being very creative about the physical and digital and the ETFs, what have you, but we need to crack the code on what's a way to give investors and holders of holders of digital assurance that the physical that's associated to that asset is indeed there.
Yes.
Right? That's a big issue. So.
Absolutely. Finally, we would like to know your opinion on the Dubai Precious Metal Conference. How important it is for the industry, and how have you been your experience about it?
I think it's great. I was fortunate enough to be a speaker. They had a fireside chat with me. So I was able to talk for 30, 45 minutes about the things that I see as a commercial guy who runs an asset acquisition company. So we're very much involved in how do you identify, buy, optimize, and then monetize assets in the value chain, right? And so we were able to tell that story yesterday and talk about that. And I think that the conference really needs that commercial lens. And I'm so thankful that DMCC and DPMC has given guys like me an opportunity to tell that story. So,
that is wonderful. It was lovely meeting you here.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sure. Thank you.